What's up, Circuit Point community? You know what sucks? Dropping serious cash on a VR headset that feels like strapping a toaster to your face. Today, we're counting down the 5 best VR headsets that actually don't suck. By number 1, you'll know exactly which headset is worth your money. All purchase links in the description. Subscribe to Circuit Point for honest VR reviews. Let's dive in. HTC Vive Pro 2 number 5. HTC Vive Pro 2, the quiet kid who secretly aced every exam. The resolution will smack you in the face. 4896 by 2448 combined resolution, sharper than most 4K TVs strapped to your eyeballs. Once you've seen it, going back to lower res feels like switching from HD to a potato. External base stations deliver buttery smooth tracking. You lean in, peek around corners, and every tiny movement lands perfectly. You'll catch small details most headsets blur away, signs, shadows, even graffiti. The Vive Pro 2 makes the whole experience feel alive. Perfect for sim racing or flight simulation where visual clarity matters most. Trade-offs: needs base stations for setup and powerful PC to drive these pixels. But for visual fidelity, this delivers. Meta Quest Pro number 4. Meta Quest Pro, called Pro for a reason. Snapdragon XR2 Plus chip, 12GB RAM, 1800 by 1920 per eye through pancake lenses. Eye tracking and face tracking make your avatar mirror expressions perfectly. Smirks, eyebrow raises, all tracked. Color pass-through cameras are game changers. See your actual room in full color while tossing digital 3D objects into it. Sketch, build, or work on your real desk and still reach for coffee without breaking the spell. Versatility is the strength. Productivity apps like Immersed for multi-monitor workspaces, VR games, creative design tools like Gravity Sketch all in one session. Prices higher than standard Quest models, slightly front-heavy for extended sessions. But for creators and remote workers wanting the most capable standalone headset for productivity and mixed reality, Quest Pro delivers features you can't get elsewhere. Valve Index Bronze at number 3. Valve Index, legendary for those controllers. They wrap around your hands, track each finger individually, pick up virtual glass, and it actually feels like you're holding one. Drop it, toss it, flip someone off. System knows exactly what you're doing. Closest VR gets to giving you real hands. Headset runs up to 144 Hz, making movements smoother than butter. Off-ear speakers deliver immersive sound without touching your ears. Field of view hits 130 degrees, reducing scuba goggle feeling. What I love most, the ecosystem depth. Steam VR gives you one of biggest VR libraries, thousands of titles from AAA to experimental indie. You'll try new experiences daily, and Index makes each feel alive. Requires base stations and powerful gaming PC. Premium price. But for enthusiasts wanting best PCVR experience with unmatched controllers and deepest game library, Index is gold standard. Meta Quest 3, runner-up Meta Quest 3, nails balance between power and freedom. 2064 by 2208 per eye with sharp pancake lenses makes everything crystal clear. First time seeing your living room covered in floating virtual screens feels like sci-fi landed in your house. Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 with 8GB, RAM keeps games, apps, mixed reality experiences smooth. Jump between fitness apps, serious VR title, or 3D workspace without missing a beat. Full color pass-through dramatically improved over Quest 2. Work with mixed reality apps, place virtual monitors around real desk, play games blending digital with physical space. 40% thinner than Quest 2 thanks to pancake lenses, significantly more comfortable for extended wear. Tether to PC for full PCVR via cable or AirLink. Access entire Steam VR library alongside Quest's native ecosystem. Battery delivers 2 to 3 hours active use. Does everything you'd want. Playing, working, exploring VR worlds, VR chat, watching immersive media. Quest 3 makes it all effortless. For most people, best combination of standalone convenience, visual quality, performance, and price. The VR headset I recommend most often. Apple Vision Pro number 1. Apple Vision Pro, the headset making people stop and stare. Apple calls it spatial computer, and that's accurate. This isn't just VR headset, it's Apple's vision of computing beyond screens. No controllers. You use eyes and hands. Look at something, pinch fingers, interact instantly. Feels so natural you'll wonder why every headset doesn't work this way. Pass-through video is insanely sharp, best in entire industry. Real world blended with apps and 3D environments so seamlessly it feels like your room got upgraded with superpowers. Dual micro OLED displays with combined 23 million pixels, more than 4K TV per eye, text perfectly crisp, colors vibrant, true blacks thanks to OLED. Eye and hand tracking is class leading, works in low light, through glasses, imperceptible latency. Watching movies feels like personal IMAX theater. Collaborating in 3D workspaces feels genuinely futuristic. Eyesight feature shows your eyes externally when someone approaches, making social interaction less awkward. Build quality exceptional. Aluminum and glass construction. Premium feel throughout. Now the elephant. $3,500 price tag. Most expensive consumer headset by far. External battery lasts 2 to 3 hours. Weight noticeable during extended sessions. App ecosystem still developing. VR gaming library limited compared to Quest or Steam VR. There you have it. 5 best VR headsets proving virtual reality has arrived as mature technology. HTC Vive Pro 2's visual clarity, Meta Quest Pro's productivity focus, Valve Index's legendary controllers, Meta Quest 3's unbeatable value, Apple Vision Pro's spatial computing future. VR headset for every use case and budget. Which caught your attention? Team PCVR or standalone freedom? Already own one? Drop your VR setup in comments. All links in description with latest pricing. Subscribe to Circuit Point and hit notification bell for VR, AR, and immersive tech coverage. Thanks for watching.